Hi, welcome to my new video. This is a video from buycombi.com and I want to talk to you about the new cartridge replacement kit that I'm providing. Many of you will have seen my other videos, but this new service we're actually providing a refurbished cartridge to repair your leaking diverter valve. It's either the black plastic diverter valve with the red electrical top or the brass valve, but again must have the red electrical top. This new offering makes the whole process much simpler. It's a lot quicker and it's a lot cheaper. So the pricing is on our website and it includes a professional option for engineers that are regularly repairing Ecotec valves. So with this video I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is. And I thought for the record we would have a go at timing it. So I'm going to start the clock now, put them out of the way. So first thing we need to do is to get the diverter valve in the correct position. It makes it easy for the motor to come off. So we turn the boiler on. You'll hear the valve. Firstly it moves out and then the motor pushes back in, and we want it in that pushed back in with the arm fully extended. It makes it easier to get the motor out. So the next step is to drain down the boiler. I've already put a bucket underneath, so just bear with me while we do this step. Okay. Right, I should have mentioned that of course you close the isolation valves before you drain down the boiler, and you can use a simple flat blade screwdriver to do that. Okay, so it's still draining down a bit, but we can, having turned the power off to the boiler, we can remove the cable to the diverter valve, take the motor off and put that to one side. Next step, put our clamp on. It just slides over the valve. I'm aiming to get it into there. Try not to drop the screw as I've just done. It makes it a pain to get it out. There we go. Put it in there, and then with an Allen key, just tighten them up. Okay, now it's still draining down at the moment, so we do have to be a bit careful with this step, just in case there's any residual water in here. Firstly, we turn that to disengage the valve. I give it a bit of a turn to loosen it up. So the cartridge is no longer engaged with the housing of the valve, which means we can extract it. First of all, we need to take this collar off to do that. If you don't take it off, that can get in the way. There we go. Comes off. And we can pull out that tool. Now, This is our extractor, and we just need to mate him with the pin that's inside there. There we go. And I use the Allen key. So let's start by pulling it out a fraction. We might find more water drains out. There we go, good. So here we can see the leaking valve water's been dripping out there. Down there you can see the staining. So give it a good clean inside before you put your new cartridge in. The cartridge comes in a plastic bag and the seals have already been lubricated, so you should only really open this when you're ready to put it into the valve casing. So this open entrance here goes pointing that way, and then we line up those lugs with the holes because that's where it's going to lock into place. Put in there. Get your locating tool, screwdriver, and then just push, and there you heard it click into place. Now just check before you put the motor back on that both lugs have clicked in. Sometimes only one clicks in and you have to push the other one in. If you have to push the other one in, use a screwdriver at an angle like this, so you're pushing down and up at the same time, and just click it back into place. Good. Okay, so now we have the new cartridge in position and we're ready to connect up the motor. There we are. It's a bit of a fiddle to get it on over the pin. And we can connect up the power. That's that. Next thing to do is to close your drain valves. So just do that. There we are. Open the isolation valves, which we've done, and now we can top the boiler up. You can hear the air coming out from the aerator there. You can see the pressure going up here, and we'll turn him on. There we are, there we have it. Now obviously, of course, you run it, purge the air and so on, but that's it, that's the process, and that's 7.5 minutes. If you don't drop the screw, maybe 7 minutes. So there we are, all the details are on the website bycombi.com. There is a link from my website to my eBay account where you can see the feedback and so on, which is all very positive. So any questions you've got, you can email me. There's the email on the website. Thanks very much for looking.